Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to change cursor on Windows 11 quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1, click the Start menu on the taskbar. It's at the bottom of your screen and gives access to system options. Step 2, click Settings. This is where you manage and customize Windows features. Step 3, click Bluetooth and Devices. This section controls connected devices like your mouse. Step 4, click Mouse. Here you can adjust how your mouse works. Step 5, click Additional Mouse Settings under Related Settings. This opens advanced mouse options. Step 6, click the Pointers tab at the top. This is where you change cursor styles. Step 7, select Normal Select under Customize. This controls the default arrow cursor. Step 8, click Browse. This opens the folder with available cursor designs. Step 9, select a cursor and click Open. This loads your chosen cursor style. Step 10, click Apply to save the changes and see the new cursor instantly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.